So today I am here at my apartment's rooftop. So you might be curious about these three carrots, that how does it look like under beneath it. So let's try on this one first. See, yeah, I think like this way, and now the second one. See, it looks like this. Oh my God, it's rotten top. And the last one. See, it's rotten up. Oh my God, it's older than these two. This is the oldest because since it has a hole. I thought that I can see from inside. You can also see. But why this one has a hole, I don't know. So this is the video of